Making money from trading and airdrops can be very profitable, but it's also very risky. Today you could earn $500, but tomorrow you might lose $1,000. So, how do you make a lot of money without facing those risks? There are some ways to make money on the popular cryptocurrency exchange Binance with minimal risk. In this video, I will share those methods with you and provide step-by-step instructions so you can start making money. Make sure to like the video and watch until the end. Introduction to Binance. Before we dive into the details of how to make money, I want to briefly introduce Binance. For those who don't know, Binance is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, founded in 2017 by Changpeng Zhao. He is a developer with many years of experience working on Wall Street and has contributed to major financial trading projects. Just 1 year after its launch, Binance became the #1 exchange in the world in terms of trading volume, market capitalization, and user numbers. This made me trust Binance, not only because of its reputation but also because it offers many opportunities, especially for beginners. What is Binance Earn? Now, let's take a look at Binance Earn, a very easy way to make money on Binance. For those who are new and might not be familiar with trading, this is a great solution. Binance Earn is like a passive investment system or a savings account at a bank, but instead of saving VND or USD, you save cryptocurrency and earn interest. The great thing is you don't need to monitor the market all the time, and you don't need a lot of knowledge about trading, but you can still earn a stable income. On Binance Earn, there are over 100 different types of cryptocurrencies you can invest in, from popular ones like Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and Tether, USDT, to other coins. In short, there are many options for you to get started. Types of products on Binance Earn. Binance Earn offers two main types of products that you can choose from, depending on the level of risk and the profit you want. First type, guaranteed, or protected, products. First, let's talk about guaranteed products. These are products where Binance guarantees that you will not lose your initial investment, meaning the money you put in will always stay the same, without decreasing. This makes it safe for you to invest, especially if you are just starting and don't want to deal with too much risk. For example, if you invest 1000 USDT in a guaranteed product, after a certain period, you will get back 1000 USDT plus the interest earned. This is a safe and stable way to make money, without having to worry about market fluctuations. Second type, high-yield products. The second type is high-yield products, but with higher profits comes higher risks. If you have more investment experience, you might prefer this type. However, you should note that with these products, you could lose part or all of your investment if the market doesn't go well. For example, if you invest in a new staking cryptocurrency project, you could earn 30–40% per year if the project succeeds. But if the project encounters problems, you could lose money. So, be careful when participating in high-risk products. Earning money safely with Binance Savings. Now, let's dive into Binance Savings, one of the easiest and safest ways to make money with Binance Earn. Binance Savings works just like a savings account at a bank. You deposit cryptocurrency instead of cash and earn interest. This helps you make money without having to worry too much about market changes. Types of Binance Savings. There are two types of Binance Savings. 1. Flexible savings. With flexible savings, you can deposit money at any time and withdraw it when needed while still earning daily interest. The big advantage of this option is that you are not tied to a fixed time. If you suddenly need money, you can withdraw it right away without losing interest. For example, if you deposit 1000 USDT into flexible savings with an interest rate of 4% per year, after 1 year, you will earn about 40 USDT in interest, and you can withdraw the money at any time without a penalty. 2. Fixed savings. If you want a higher interest rate and don't need the money for a certain period, you can choose fixed savings. With this option, your money will be locked for a certain term, which could be 7, 15, 30, 60, or 90 days. During this time, you won't be able to withdraw the money, but the interest rate will be higher compared to flexible savings. For example, if you deposit 1000 USDT into fixed savings for 30 days with an interest rate of 6% per year, after 30 days, you will receive interest corresponding to the number of days you deposited. How to participate in Binance Savings. To join Binance Savings, you can follow these steps. First, log into your Binance account. If you don't have an account, sign up using the link in the video description. Then, on the menu bar, select Earn, and then Savings. Next, choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT. Choose between flexible savings or fixed savings, then click subscribe to start investing. Your profits will be calculated daily and transferred to your spot wallet. If you choose flexible savings, you can withdraw money anytime. If you choose fixed savings, your principal and interest will be returned after the term ends. Earning money with staking on Binance. Besides savings, Binance also offers staking, which is another way for you to earn passive income from cryptocurrency. When you stake, you lock your cryptocurrency into the blockchain system, helping the network operate more smoothly, and you will receive staking rewards. Types of staking. There are two main types of staking on Binance. 1. Fixed staking. You will lock your cryptocurrency for 30, 60, 90, or 120 days. The interest rate will be higher, but you won't be able to withdraw your money until the term ends. For example, if you stake 1000 USDT for 90 days with an interest rate of 10% per year, after 90 days, you will receive interest plus your principal. 2. DeFi staking. This is another form of staking, where you lock your cryptocurrency into DeFi projects, decentralized finance. DeFi staking comes with higher risks because these projects are more affected by market volatility. For example, if you stake in a new DeFi project, and if the project succeeds, you can earn 20–30% per year. However, if the project faces risks, you might lose part or all of your investment. How to participate in staking now? I'll guide you on how to participate in staking. First, log into your Binance account. On the menu bar, select Earn, then Staking. Next, choose the cryptocurrency you want to stake and select the staking period, 30, 60, 90, or 120 days. Finally, click Confirm to start staking. Important tips for cryptocurrency investment. At this point, I want to emphasize that whether it's staking or savings on Binance, risk management is always a crucial factor. You should diversify your assets, meaning don't put all your money into one place. For example, you can divide your funds into smaller portions to invest in both safe products and high-risk products. This helps to reduce risk while still allowing you to earn higher returns. So today, we've explored Binance Earn and staking, two ways to make money on Binance with minimal risk. I hope you've gained valuable knowledge to start your cryptocurrency investment journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my latest videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.